Baby, I don't understand it. Yo, hi chat. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend so far. Hope you guys ready for a new week. Hope you guys ready for a new week, man. New week, new start. Last Friday was pretty crazy in terms of pushing from gold. I hope you guys got something to finish off the weekend Friday there. So without further ado, let me just check what we have in this week in terms of news. So we have, what do we have today? We have nothing today, right? And then tomorrow we have ISM services, PMI and 3. And then Wednesday we have Fed chair. And then job openings. And then Thursday we have Fed chair again. And then Friday we have unemployment. So it's a pretty busy week overall, I'll say. So let me set up real quick then. Where is my trading view at? That's not what I show. Yeah. Alright, we got a win live last week, so that was pretty nice. So that was cool. So let me just check. So trade today, delete that. Trading view on, chat on, one camera on. Right, okay, cool. So let's just do our monthly analysis like we always do, right? So on the monthly, we are close bullish, respecting of the support for the most part, right? And we are coming now for the first few days of the month. 25 days left on the month, right? Now, we are pushing heavily. We are closing bullish at the resistance, right? Breaking the high on this monthly now. Breaking this high, the previous two candles high on the monthly. And I don't know how further you're gonna push because we have 25 days left on the month. You have no bottom wick, right? After breaking the high, you can expect that the monthly can reverse and come down within the range and create a bottom wick for a while, right? You have 25 days left, you have a lot of time left. So the question is how far up you're gonna push up before you come down back into a range, because bear in mind this is still up bullish closure respecting to the resistance, right? And look at the previous candle, you have range to go down for the most part to go back within the range, right? So this is a range that you're in now, right? You're still in the range. The question is how far you're gonna push before you come down, create a bottom wick, and bear in mind into how the monthly candle closed. You break the previous high now, so I wouldn't be surprised if you do actually come down after breaking all these high and showing sign that you're gonna reverse, right? So okay, cool. The weeklies give a lot of it gives a lot of play here. So the weekly just broke out the range, right? So for me to confirm that you are absolutely broken out the range, I would need to see some kind of bottom wick before you break, before you follow the money range on a weekly. But if you don't create some kind of bottom wick, this is a breakout on a weekly, then I would imagine the next range would be 2040 to 2050, which is our all-time high, right? So look left, we don't really have a lot of traffic left apart from this candle over here to indicate that's our next range that you can play. So for me to confirm that we are going to continue to drive all the way towards our all-time high 2050, 2040, and that also means that the monthly breakout of the range retest the old monthly high, and then if it was to come down, that would correlate to the weekly resistance, right? Well, that's the next range on the weekly, right? But I would like to see some kind of bottom wick. Once you create some kind of bottom wick, you grab all the liquidity from the old range, from 2060, 2070. Once you create some kind of bottom wick and then you flip up, we break the high on the weekly or the monthly, that also an indication of you driving towards the next level of resistance, which is 2040. Because looking left, you have clean traffic going up here, right? So let's look at the daily, right? Daily broke out as well, the same as weekly as well. So now it's getting a little bit tough because looking left, you don't really have a lot of data to work with. But what you can look for though is the next range on the weekly and the monthly and the daily, because that's your overall all-time high, right? Because looking left is an absolute clean traffic, right? The question is, I don't know how hard you'd be pushing down here, considering you don't have a lot of data to work with, and you just broke out the range. Every time you broke out the range, what you tend to expect a bottom wick before you drive up, right? And I would imagine something like this dip into 2060 if you were to drive up, right? And if it's a fake out, right? If it was a fake out, a closure on a daily below 2050 would be a confirmation for you to confirm that we are coming back inside the range. And that also correlates to the monthly, what I was saying about the monthly breaking the high. And if it was to flip, what is it going to do? It's going to come down and create a bottom wick. If it was to grab liquidity for it to drive up, and that also the weekly fake out as well, or could be the weekly bottom wick for all I know, right? But it really depends on how the 4 hours candle close here. But if the 4 hour candle close like below here for the most part, 2050, then you're gone though, because if you look left, every time you close below 2050, you are absolutely heading down towards the next major support, which is 2010 or 2020 for the most part, right? So if that's the case, so let's jump down onto our small time frame. Let me just all good now. I just wanted to connect it to my broker there. So 4 hours pushing hard here, right? You have resistance right here. You tap into here now. If 4 hours break above this resistance, then looking left, you don't really have a lot of data to work with but this candle, so it will be very tough if we were to break above that. So let's see what's kind of range we are playing with. This might be a little bit tough because now we've gone into a territory where we have very little data to work with, but it's okay though. Have some kind of resistance over there. Yep. I'm looking left. If you break above here, you don't really have anything else. But do we have volume to break above like that though? And the question is, I don't know. This is a range. You start to kind of form structure inside the range now. So let me see what I can work with. Absolutely do a breakdown. Fair minutes no bottom wick in previous fair. 1 hour no bottom wick. Still close respecting to range. 4 hours still pushing, breaking the high. So daily looks like you are going to follow the range for the most part, huh? Now it's getting very tough here to trade because you have very little data and you want to see more data to form for you to be part of it, right? I'll sell below 28.3 for the most part. Yeah, below 28.3, you should be able to just come down cleanly. And you have like 6 pip advantage or something coming down here. By the time you tap down there, it's a break even. But there's no confirmation you're even coming down just yet. Yeah, you have so little data that it's gonna be pretty tough to trade here. Let's see what's GG about. So daily, monthly, close bearish coming up to create some kind of top wick, huh? You could respect in this level. Okay. You could respect into that level. You could still potentially break above here for I know. So let's see weekly. What's a weekly range over? Weekly close bearish here. Could respect respecting here for the most part. So that's cool. There you go, respecting here. This is a range you're in on a weekly. So if you were to dry out this week, I would imagine a bottom weight would need it, like a break of the low before you drive up. But let's see on the daily. But the daily look like you are going to head up first. So if you break the high and you head down, I wouldn't be surprised because it's a minor support resistance right around here. So let's jump down to a weekly daily. Yeah, so you have a minor resistance right there. If you can break through that, that could potentially mean that you will head all the way towards it to the next level. And where is that on the weekly? That will be the weekly high, breaking the high on the weekly. But any given time this thing can just still fly down for one now. So let's jump down to 4 hours. Let's put some line on that so you can see. Drive towards the next range on the daily. Daily closed bullish for the most part. Weekly closed bearish, respecting to the support. So could it mean that we will drive up to break the high on the on this candle and then come down? Very, very, very possible. So that means that you have range to go all the way towards 26.93 for the most part, right? And that will be the weekly high. If you are pushing up now with the daily and the 4 hours, it's very bullish. There's a high chance that you're pushing there's a high chance that you are absolutely pushing up. Every time it goes above here on a 1 hour, you should have clean traffic to drive all the way to the 26. And that's a 24 pips range. You have a minor resistance right around here. This push, look at this push, very similar. I'm looking at similar push as well, all the way up push here. So you could potentially even push all the way towards 26.93 for the most part here. Look at very, very similar push here as well. So look at this push right here. Look at this push right here, very clean. Tap here, push over here, so clean, very clean for the most part. And the daily looks like it's gonna push up here for the most part. or closure above here. Got minor support here, closure above here. I'll say it's clean for the most part. So you do have range going towards 2678. That's a 5 pips play. Yeah, overall this is your play, isn't it? Okay, go is pushing. Now things are a little bit tough because I don't really know what it's going to do here after breaking this high. After filling the wick on the daily, I don't really know what it's going to do. Shows that you do have range of going towards 2888 though. But there's not a lot of data for me to work with. Because you, for the most part, you come up here to grab liquidity to come down. That's what happened. Or you come up here even. And that's break of the high on the daily, I believe. And yeah, the 15 no top wick, the 5 no top wick, so it's tough to trade there. Yeah, very minor. Looks like the next range you got right up is here. I mean, looks like it just got tapped 2678. I kind of wanted to go in on the closure of the 5 there, but it looks like you're just going to continue to push, so I'm going to wait for it to close above 2679, a closure above 2679, or closure above this level for the most part, and you should be able to just cleanly drive up, I believe, because I'm looking at, you have this, you have 5 pips advantage right here until the next minor level resistance for the most part. And whenever you do drive up though, I'm looking at this push right here. I look at this clean traffic. This clean traffic. So for overall, you can actually drive up, but we wait and see here. So that's the daily wick fill. So now, question is how far you got through here. That's a daily wick fill. You tap into this level again. Yeah, it's just got tapped out at 678 here. I would not be surprised at all. That was 4 pips. Yeah, our closure above here though should be able to take us all the way towards 26.97, and that's a 36 pip range that I'm looking at, because every time you drive, I'm looking at this driving specific, right? I'm looking at this drive here. Every time you come down from here, you have clean traffic going up. Same up here as well. Similar here. Kind of similar. In a way, this push right here, similar as well, push all the way up towards 26. So yeah, if you can close above 26.83, I'll be in there. Until then, you tap into this level. Now it's not really play for me, because there's 15 closes in 7 minutes. Same as the 30 minutes as well. The 1 hour also closing in 7 minutes too. So it really depends on how the candle closes here. I'm looking at this push right here, clean. Like this push right here, clean. Look at this push right here, very clean. Like all the time you push. It's always been a clean push. Now it happened to 2088. Now you see on mine now. You see some kind of reaction from there. The question is what you're going to do. Yeah, everything is very bullish for GU. You have a range until the next daily range, which is around this level for the most part. You can close above here. Close above 3683, you should be able to have clean traffic drive. Yeah, this is with gold. See, whenever it's making all-time high, it's pretty tough to trade with because you don't have a lot of data to base off of on if you trade with price action, right? Five minutes till the 1 hour candle close here. Still closes respecting here though. Even the 1 hour candle closing bullish here, right? The fact that it closes respecting here, it doesn't really give you a lot of direction. But how the 1 hour candle open can possibly give you direction, and I'll tell you why. If the 1 hour candle open up and follow the wick and potentially break the high on the previous hourly candle, you can possibly looking for a sell going down, because now you would need a break of the low on this level to grab liquidity for you to drive up, right? Because understand that for you to drive, there needs some kind of retracement or liquidity grab before you do drive up. And look at daily, you already follow the wick on the daily, and if you break the high on the one hour candle, that would be the wick fill on a break of the high on a daily, and if you flip on a 1 hour, that would be also a direction for you to come down. So let's see here, 2 minutes. It's really down to how the hourly candle opens first. If the hourly candle opens first, break the high, we just take the flip coming down. We take the flip entry coming down, and I believe from the flip to us here, that should give you like 36, 34 pips range to mess a bit with. So lock it in here, 2 minutes. 2 minutes, 2 minutes until the 1 hour candle close here. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if the 4 hours end up flipping here after breaking a lower high. After daily break the high here, you don't have, like, looking left, like if you were to drive up already, for the most part I'm looking at this level for you to like absolutely grab equity first, and that would be like a break below this level, because this is the range that you're in, right? You're still in the range for the most part. And this previous 1 hour no bottom wick, so even for you to drive up here, I would imagine that you would drive up like this, right? So if you were to drive up like this, understand that even if you to drive out, you need to drive in somehow. And the daily already filled already done the wick fill, and if the 1 hour opening up right in 2 seconds here, open up, break all the high, and that will be the break the high on the daily. Then we take a flip entry down. But if it doesn't, then I'll just watch price go. Not part of my plan. I'm not going to do anything, because any given time the 1 hour candle can just still rip up and fill the wick, and you don't want to be part of that. A sell below would be below here for me. You have 10 pips of range until the next minor support, but your overall support will be down here. But yeah, this hourly candle, for me to take the flip entry, hourly candle has to break the high first before I do anything. For a minute, no top wick. Oh, this is rough. As much as I want to go in for GU, but it's not really giving me an entry to go in here. The 1 hour no top wick. 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15, 5, doesn't have a top wick anywhere. As much as I like to go in, but man, it's rough. It's very, very rough. I can't go in. you break the high on the daily gold, or is just that? I mean, the daily follow wick already though, so that might be some kind of confirmation for you. But I just kind of prefer for it to follow wick on the hour and break the high and then flip back down. That would be absolutely perfect as well. But we'll see here. We'll see what it's gonna do. Because for I know this could still be the hourly bottom wick for it to drive up. That is rough. I mean, even though the 1 hour, the 15 orders low time frame has no top wick, right? The 4 hours and the higher time frame does show that you have a range to drive for which you do have range to show that you're gonna follow the rest of the range here. So even though you have no top wick on a closure above here, I do believe that you have clean traffic to drive. But I need to see a closure above them. I can't do anything else otherwise. There ain't no form of bottom wick, I don't think. It's got a small bottom wick though. Yeah, if you can close below 85, you can look to sell down towards here for the most part, and then you can look for a sell down towards 83. But if you can close it below though, because any given time this thing can just still fly up because hourly bottom wick, so that would be very rough. So you got to be patient and wait for a closure below here. So hourly breaking high. Kind of want you to see your break the high first, but you know, done now. 1 minute till the 5 minute closure here, and 5 minutes for the 15 closure. Let's see if this is the bottom wick on a 1 hour, or is this wick fill on a daily for you to grab liquidity for you to come down. Because 4 hours drop all the high here. If it wants to rub down now, it's actually can. So you want to see here. I think I'll break below 22nd and then you should yeah, you can half an aware like a break below here, you just drop all the way down to 27.7. Okay, 5 minute candle closure, respecting. Yeah, it's not pushing here. There's no volume though. That's a thing. Because last Friday it was such a big move that now it's just kind of trading in a range. So it's not really like active right now. Friday was a crazy move, man. Friday, how much of a push that was that? 400 pips push. Ay. Yeah, man, 400 pips push. Pretty nuts, if you ask me. 600 pips move. Jesus Christ. Right, 2 minutes till a 15-minute candle closure here. I just need to see the 5 close below 2085 for me to confirm that you are going down. Because in the given time, this could just be the bottom wick for the 1 hour chip for you to rip up, and that is when you do not want to be part of. If the next 15 coming down first for the wick, no top wick, this might be rough, my friend. Might not be able to get in. But if the next 15 coming up and the 5 closure below 285 create a top wick on the 15, then yes, we maybe have a potential entry, but for now it's pretty rough for the most part, I'll say. 5 minutes closing bullish, no top wick, okay. Still not good enough for me. Too confident that we are going down, because this could be on our bottom wick for what I know. We usually rip up. If we break the high on a 1 hour candle and then rip down, that will be a flat. That will be the entry right there. But right now things looking rough. You don't have any entry, bro. They set up and lining up, man. Was a push for the 1 hour candle. How much was this push? 14 pips. Yeah, it was. This push was for 13 pips in total. Okay, coming down now. You break 2085 here. You break your next range will be all the way down here. I understand that even if you should drive out a break below this level, at least minimum 3, you should grab liquidity. Right, close it in 1 minute here. Okay. Be ready, chat. You have closure in 1 minute here, so just be ready for my call. I'll wait for a little bit for this. For if we close below, I'll wait a little bit for we to create some kind of top wick on the next 5 coming down. But if this 5 close no bottom wick, I'm not going to be able to get in at all, bro. But we'll leave some kind of bottom wick though. Then yeah. Right, close it in 5 seconds here. Right, go in and sell here. Break even will be right down here, right guys? Break even be right here. TP be right here. And stop loss should be right above this level. Right guys? All good? But understand that the daily just literally follow the wick, right? And the 1 hour reject at this level right here. The 5 goes back into a range. So once you tap into this level, that's your BE level right here. You have a minor support right around here. You do have a minor support right around here. Let's clean up. Could even look to extend the TP all the way down here, because that's a level you tap multiple times here. But break even will be right there, 284 for me. Yeah, looking like this ain't much traffic. After you come up here, you do come down here for most part. This doesn't have a lot of data. Alright, so there's a drop down, past break even. So now it should be a break even trade, guys. I assuming that after you broke the high there, you should continue to just drop down towards your next level. Towards your next level support, which is around this level right here. If it goes below here, you should be able to drive down. Yeah, look like you have no traffic left until 2083 for the most part. final bottom wick. Right guys, close full there. I believe that was 12 pips. So good trade, man. Good shit. Understand that the hourly just come up, break this high. That's a 4 hours break the high as well, right? And then once the 4 hours break the high, that's a daily wick fill. If you can't break after wick fill on the daily, if you come back into a range, it just simple close back into a range, fake out on the 5, come back into a range, and that is your play right there. And the final bottom wick, right? So that is pretty tough for you to trade. I do believe that if the trade, if we close below on the 5, if you close below if you close below 28.2, you should be able to just cleanly drive down for the most part, because understand that you will be able to rip down here. Once you rip down here, that's your next level minor support. But understand that if you close below 28.2, that will be the daily flip, and your next level support looking left is just 20.77. But yeah, the final bottom wick there. So there's no reason for us to be extending, right? So yeah, man. 22 12 pips, not bad. Yeah, I'll close you below here, I'll get you down as well. Yeah, I'll clean close you below, get you down here as well. But yeah, that's it. That's a trade. Very well done. We stick to a plan. We wait for a closure. And that's it, man. 12 pips. And shit. I might just call it a day. Go out, touch some grass, and that's it, man. Do you see how I wanted to see the 5 minutes candle close out above, because now it just lets you keep cleaner come down. The 1 hour no top wick, 30 minutes no top wick, 15 no top wick, right? So it's rough, man. It's rough. So now you've got to wait for the 4 hours candle at least, and some form of structure to form on a lower time frame, on the 30, on the 15, and all that good stuff, right? And then you can look for a buyout if you are heading up. But the fight for 1 hour no top wick here is very, very rough. It's just too rough to play with. Try to see what you every time you close it low, you didn't close above here. If you close above here low, then yeah, sure you have clean traffic driving up, but you didn't close above here for the most part. You close expecting, just equal respecting as well. Yeah, looks good overall. Yeah, 1 hour didn't even cut above either. Yeah, man. Whatever goes, you see the flip up right there. Whatever goes doing now is none of my business. I'm gonna go enjoy my morning, and then I'll come back for NYC and then trade for NYC, right? And that's it. That's a trade right there. 15 come back into a range. It looks like you are going to just follow the rest of the range on the 15 here. 30 minutes just candle close back into a range as well. No top wick. Has potential here to come down and re-break below on a 1 hour. But I'm done, man. I'll take more sell if you coming down below, if you a closure below 2082 for the most part for me. Otherwise, that's it for the day. Shit, massive W, man. Minutes, kind of close bearish, not back into the range. Sell for me would likely to close it below this level. Yeah, that would be very much likely. So I'll close it below this level for me, at least. Otherwise, bro. Yeah, my 13 just come in for the range. Then let's come down for the wick. Go back into a range. Fake out on the 30 minutes as well. And the 1 hour candle come back down. Regret to the low, you should just continue to drag down, I believe. But yeah, man, I'm done for the stream anyway, because I don't think I want to look for more possession. I mean, I'll wait for a little bit. I'll wait for until it's closed below 2082. If you can close below 2082 though, then yeah, shit, you're gone all the way towards 2080 for the most part. I'll give it till 9 o'clock for it. I'll give it till 9 o'clock and see the shit, man. The 30 minutes, no top wick. Minutes, no top wick. Coming down. Well, you do have small top wick though. Yeah, look at it, just got trip all the way down towards 28.2 here by the look of it. And I don't really have any I don't have anything else until I see a closure below 28.2, driving down towards 28.80, 27.9. But yeah, now the 15 and 30 minutes for the range. 30 minutes come back inside. You should see a continuation of pushing down if this is a fake out, right? But here the thing is, a 1 hour candle closing in 23 minutes. So would you not rather wait for the 1 hour candle closing in 23 minutes, wait for the top wick for the 1 hour, and then go back in, or you just blindly gonna go in right in the middle of the candle and then just see your trade going in drawdown? You know what I mean? So you want to see this 4 hour candle has very high potential to flip, if anything. If the next hourly candle coming up, create top wick and then come down, where's the flip? The flip is right here. Yeah, if you come down all the way here, you have a high potential flip if you close below 28.2, because your next range would be 20.80 at minimum. If it's ranging between 23 and 85, guys, honestly, I'll call it a day, man. Not gonna lie, I'll call it a day. You might be able to trade GU here, come back down for a bottom wick. If GU ended up coming down, break the low and then flip, that's be your entry. But I still rather see a nice little closure above 26.83 for the most part though. Yeah, I'll give it 5 minutes here, guys. No, I'll give it 20 minutes. I'll still be here, but nothing, no setup for me until I'll close it below 2082 for the most part. For buy for me will be above 2090, and that's it. I don't have anything else. Yeah, 2090. You might be able to look for trade if the 1 hour candle open up like this and then flip. That'd be a trade, but that's a long shot. That is a long shot, my brother. It's a 15 good flip every given time now. 2 minutes left on the 15, 17 minutes left on the 30. Did the daily break the high? No, it didn't. It literally follow the wick. Literally tap into the exact same level, follow the wick, and then could potentially reject here. But I don't know what's going on yet until 2082 break. A closure below 2082. You have very limited data whenever gold make its way towards all-time high. Oh, my days. The 15 minutes looking here. You know what though? If the 15 coming up break the high first, tap into this level, you might be able to take a sell going down on a flip. If it's come up first though, if it come down first, no, you can't. Has to break the high though. But then once it breaks the high and flip, it's might be closed to the 1 hour candle. Would you not rather wait for the 1 hour candle close and then wait for the top wick on a 1 hour and take the flat coming down? You see what I'm saying? So let's see how fast the 15 minutes gonna run here. If it doesn't run in 15 minutes and it's idling and it's come down first, I'll call it a day. So it's really down to how the 15 run here. It's run fast and it come up, break the high, all nice and stuff, and a fair minutes flip, create some kind of top wick, come into this area right here. Yeah man, that's true. You're able to come in pretty nice and cleanly. But no sell for me, until below 32, for the most part. Yeah, it can just come down for a week on the 15th. What I wanted to see is it breaks the high on the 15th. Yeah, if you're 1 hour candle closing like this, the next hour candle, what you can do is called respecting here, right? So that's maybe rough because the 1 hour called respecting here. Any given time, this thing can just still fly up on the next hour candle for what I know. Since the 4 hours, still bullish, right? For the most part. So you want to wait and see how it plays out. But all in all, it is very much like looking like it's a screamer. But we got 12 pips this morning, right? Just then be patient and wait for candle closure. Understand what price is doing. Understand what's happening on a higher time frame, going down to a lower time frame, and wait for the closure on a lower time frame to have confirmation from a lower time frame that also directly linked to a higher time frame. And yeah man, that's just a simple closure below, a fake out on a 5, fake out on a 5, you can say a fake out on a 15 too, and a 30 coming back in, and overall you should be able to just cleanly drive towards 28.2 here. And now the question is whether you're going to break 28.2 or not. I don't know. And if the 1 hour candle closed below here, that'd be money. Yeah, you really want to see a 1 hour candle, 30 minutes candle closure below 28.3 here. and that will have a lot of strong confirmation that you're going to drive down on the next hour candle. But if it's close respect, I call it a day regardless. But the fact that the 15 just come down and broke the low, and for the rest of which is not very high chance that you're going to continue to just come down if you don't have liquidity. So yeah, I'll wait till it takes 9 minutes and then I'll call it a day. There's no real setup for me at all until this 4 hour kind of close at least. And with the way the 1 hour kind of close respect, and any given time you can just still fly up for and all that. The same with the 30 minutes kind of close respecting as well. You're not closing. If you close below here, I'll stay. I might stay, but if you don't close below here, brother, well. Okay guys, 30 minutes until, no, 30 minutes, 6 minutes until the 15 and the 30 minutes candle close here, and the same with the 1 hour candle close here. Very key how the 1 hour candle close here, because you want to see our candle closure below that. Especially the 30 minutes. If the 30 minute candle closes below, you have confirmation that you have range to drive down to us here, and that give you confirmation of this how this 4 hour candle look just based off the small time frame. Yeah, 5 minutes candle closure here. If it's called doji, and then at this 5 open up breaking the low and then flip. All of the reason that we gotta call it a day, because then the 30 minutes won't close below the range for me, and there isn't a setup for me then. However, on the other side, GU, you might be able to look for setup, because you're literally co-respecting here. If you co-respect, then I would imagine that you will have create some kind of bottom wick and flip. On a flip of the 1 hour, you'll be able to get in. Right, remember how I said if the 5 come down first, breaking the low and then flip, that's just going to the confirmation how the 30 minutes candle gonna open up. Did it break the low? Yeah, it broke the low now on my MT4. Now it's flat. That your confirmation how the 30 minutes candle look here. Respecting to the range, not close below. So now it's gonna be rough. What you can do though, you can trade GU. GU has a lot of range, man. Like if you look for like a wick fill here, that's a 9 pips going up after creating some kind of bottom wick and going to a share that's 13. And your next level of resistance I can see is right around here, which is 16 pips, which is not bad. But I need to see some kind of bottom wick first though. Yeah, the other break of the low on the 5. GG flip now. That's the confirmation of going up. Not going up, but like, that's a confirmation that you are in this range. For the most part. You see what I say now about like the 5? If it break the low on the previous 5 doji, it will drive up. If it drive up, it will drive up. One minute until the 30 minutes candle close here. I'll close back and we'll close. No. Now we also could do that 1 hour kind of close now as well. Ideally, do I see some kind of bottom with a 1 hour kind of closure below? Because that will be the figure on the 1 hour as well. And you will have range to go all the way down here. For the most part, but if you don't have any bottom wick, man, that's rough. 10 seconds. Yeah, you go respecting. You see what I'm saying? You're close respecting on the 30 minutes here. And how did the 5 look? Flip, break the low, flip, bullish. So now it's gold wise, I don't really have any idea to trade. However, with GU though, if you come down and create a bottom wick, and then on the flip, sure. But if you come up first and then break 26.83, there's a chance that you actually can go in for a play. But yeah, man, I think we might just call it a day, man. Unless GU might just fly down here for a bottom wick here, and then we take the flip entry up, going up. But yeah, I think I call it a day. We got the job done this morning. I think the trade last. How long did it last? I think it lasts five minutes. I know exactly what candle it printed. Got on right here. Yeah, 5 minutes. Literally. That trade took 5 minutes. Yeah, if the 1 hour candle come down here completely, create some kind of bottom wick here, and then on the flip, yes, you actually can go in. You can definitely go in, but I need to see a bottom wick though. Without a bottom wick, it's rough. Can't really do much. There's a bottom wick I was talking about, right? Now can we break the low? You know what I'm going to do here? I'm going to put a buy stop at the flip of the 1 hour, right? Because understand that when you flip, you should be able to just drive after breaking the low on this 30 minutes here. Can you break the low though? If you don't break the low here, things might be rough for me to get in. From here to here is what? That's 3 pips. Yeah, you have a minor resistance right around now. Yeah, you see how that's a bottom wick on a 1 hour? So now it's flat and we break the high, it should just fly. Stop loss. Stop loss should be below here for the most part. If you break below there, you're gone though. flip and like come up. That should be the TP. 30. I put my TP up here for now. But if we break the low on this 15 and we flip here, guys, you should expect a strong drive. Yeah, go. I'm not trading until later on. I'll wait until the 4 hour candle close at least. But if this 15 doesn't flip and close below here, we might have a problem. But if it flips now and it's run, then yes. There's an order flow, break even right here, right? So you guys know. You guys know what's happening. So if the 1 hour we flip here and we break the high, you should expecting a clean run on the 1 hour. There's a flip on the 15. FTMO is closed bullish as well, above the range. Yeah, if this 15 flip here, you should be able to drive cleanly, and that if the 1 hour flip re-break to the high, you already come down, creates this bottom wick here. I believe that if you flip, you should just drive. You just drive off here. And the daily is also very bullish as well. You don't have any other range, but going towards here for the most part on the daily. You don't have anywhere else to go, but it's going up towards 26.96. Create a bomb with kill your close respecting. I imagine you would just fly up here with a 30 minutes close above the range. Even if you do fly down, tap into 2673 here. If you were to fly down, for the most case. Yeah, tap into 2673 here. goes. Will you push up here, or will you just still you hovering? The 4 hours also very bullish as well. Like even if we to drive down, I would imagine a tap into this level for you to drive down. At least every time you drive down, you tap into here, you drive down. Like looking left, you tap into here, you drive down. You tap into here, you drive down. So you overall, with the way the 4 hours looking, for the most part, it looks like you do have range driving up. Even if you should drive down, I would imagine tapping should hit 6, 7, 8, create some kind of top wick, grab liquidity there, and then if you flip, then yeah, sure. That'll be your play. What you might expect though, you might expect a steeper bottom wick for I know, but that's okay too. Last minute drive, huh? $15 flip now. Like if the 30 minutes and the 1 hour reflip and rebreak the high, it should just continue to shoot up. I don't see any reason why it shouldn't. After create a bottom wick like this. But if the 15 though, what I might do here, chat, I might put my stop loss into break even here. If you don't drive here in this 15, you just come out break even, right? Yeah, you come out break even. If you don't drive here with the next 15 looking like this, I would imagine it come up first, break the high and come down, and that would be really tough for us to trade. So you got to recognize that. I would like to see a break the low, but we didn't get that. So if it drives, it drives. But if now look at the 15, now it drives up, come down. If it's come down, then you're in big trouble. But we'll see what it's doing. No bottom weight coming up first, break the high. and it flips, you're in big trouble. You see what I'm saying? 15 break the high and now it flip. So you got to be very, very wary of all the possibility, and you're in break even there. Trade there. Now it's flip. Now if flip down here, it totally makes sense, and if it's come down, it comes down, right? Because after all, the 1 hour is still bearish. Kind of wanted to see a break below the 30 minutes, but it didn't happen. So it's kind of sad, but it's fine now. How's gold looking? Coming down after getting a top wick. Yeah, 1 break even, 1 win. That's all you can ask for it. Yeah, it's fine though. I thought we just gonna continue to push up with the way the 4 hours look, the daily look, and the 1 hour close respect into the support. I thought if we come down, create the low, we'd be able to push up. However, we didn't get it come out. We get out in a break even, so it's fine though. So anyway, I'm gonna call it a stream a day, and I'll hope you guys have an amazing week, amazing day, rest of a good trading day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. We have a very, very busy week this week, I would say, for the most part, and yeah, just look to turn it up, and just same plan, same everything, keep on improving, keep on trying, keep showing up every single day, right? And that's all we can ask for, and that's all that's what we can do, and that's what we will do. So I hope you guys have trade accordingly to your plan for the rest of the day. Make sure you have stop loss to protect your account. Make sure you don't blow your account, right? Yeah, anyway, peace out.
Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the rail with betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, y'all not strange, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but I'm here. I see rappers dying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You trying to run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. It was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all how like the birds and the bees. Everybody trying to stunt, let them know the focus up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking emotions. Roll me to this paper, hey, I see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate you. Now what you hiding from? You trying to run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man, you can't see. How you think you could fly past my wide wings? Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. In the doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. It can how you did, I had a dice in my hand. Throw what I knew I was against what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks it, I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the commerce store from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you enough in this. I'll shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head. That's you. I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar swear it's trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real, had to clear the clouds, they disperse. Like when they flee and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah, bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the real, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like. But up here, I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, knows my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all how like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt like they know the fuck is up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking motions. Throw me to this paper, hey, I see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate you. What you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man, you can't see. How you think you could fly past my wide wings? Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. Ain't a doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. AK, how you did it, had a dice in my hand. Doing what I knew I was against, what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks that I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is, word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow, I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the climbers. Start from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you been on this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head. That's true, I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar sweats trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real, had to clear the clouds, they disperse. Like when they flee and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah, bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the real, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like. But up here, I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, knows my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all how like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt like they know the fuck is up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking motions. Throw me to this paper, hey, I see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate you. What you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man, you can't see. How you think you could fly past my wide wings? Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. Ain't a doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. AK, how you did it, had a dice in my hand. Doing what I knew I was against, what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks that I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is, word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow, I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the climbers. Start from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you been on for this. I shake my head, I'm I'm shaking my fucking head at you. I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar swear it's trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real, how to clear the clouds, they disperse. Like when they flee and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, all my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the real, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but up here I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all how like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt like they know the focus up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking emotions. Roll me to this paper, hey, I'll see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate now you. Now what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man, you can't see. How you think you could fly past my wide wings? Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. Ain't a doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. AK how you did it, had a dice in my hand. Doing what I knew I was against, what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks that I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is, word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow, I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the climbers. Start from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you been on from this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head at you. I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar swear it's trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real, how to clear the clouds, they disperse. Like when they flee and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, all my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the real, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but up here I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all how like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt like they know the focus up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking emotions. Roll me to this paper, hey, I'll see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate you. Now what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man, you can't see. How you think you could fly past my wide wings? Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. Ain't a doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. AK how you did it, had a dice in my hand. Doing what I knew I was against, what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks that I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the commerce store from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you enough for this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head. That's you. I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar sweats trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real, how to clear the clouds. They disperse like when they flee, and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the real, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but up here, I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, knows my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all how like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt like they know the fuck is up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking emotions. Roll me to this paper, hey, I see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate now you. What you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man. You can't see how you think you could fly past my wide wings. Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. Ain't a doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. It can how you did, I had a dice in my hand. Doing what I knew I was against, what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks it, I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the commerce store from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you enough for this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head. That's you. I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar sweats trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real, how to clear the clouds. They disperse like when they flee, and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the real, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but up here, I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, knows my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all how like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt like they know the fuck is up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking emotions. Roll me to this paper, hey, I see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate you. What you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. you think you can fly past my wide wings? Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. In the doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. It can hate that I had a dice in my hand. Throw what I knew I was against what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks that I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the commerce store from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you enough in this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head. That's you. I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar swear it's trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real, how to clear the clouds. They disperse like when they flee, and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the rail, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but up here, I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in a beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all how like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt like they know the fuck is up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking emotions. Roll me to this paper, hey, I'll see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate now you. What you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man, you can't see. How you think you can fly past my wide wings? Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. In the doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. It can hate that I had a dice in my hand. Throw what I knew I was against what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks that I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the commerce store from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you enough in this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head. That's you. I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar swear it's trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real, how to clear the clouds. They disperse like when they flee, and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the rail, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but up here, I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in a beat. be. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all how like the birds and the bees. Everybody trying to stunt like they know the fuck is up. I know everybody's stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking emotions. Roll me to this paper, hey, I see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate you. What you hiding from? You trying to run? You know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man. You can't see. How you think you can fly past my wide wings? Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. In the doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. It can how you did it, had a dice in my hand. Doing what I knew I was against what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks it, I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass time to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the climbers. Start from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you enough in this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head. That's you. I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar swear it's trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real, how to clear the clouds, they disperse. Like when they flee and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the rail, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young life change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but I'm here. I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You trying to run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in a beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all how like the birds and the bees. Everybody trying to stunt like they know the fuck is up. I know everybody's stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking emotions. Roll me to this paper, hey, I see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate you. What you hiding from? You trying to run? You know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man. You can't see. How you think you can fly past my wide wings? Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. In the doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. It can how you did it, had a dice in my hand. Doing what I knew I was against what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks it, I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass time to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the climbers. Start from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you enough in this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head. That's you. I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar swear it's trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real, how to clear the clouds, they disperse. Like when they flee and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the rail, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in a the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly a lot. But up here, I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all how like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt, let them know the focus up. I know everybody's stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking emotions. Roll me to this paper, hey, I see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate now you. Now what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man. You can't see how you think you can fly past my wide wings. Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. In the doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. It can how you did, I had a dice in my hand. Throw what I knew I was against what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks it, I've been leaning on her, keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the commerce store from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you enough for this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head. That's true, I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar sweats trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real, how to clear the clouds. They disperse like when they flee, and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the rail, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly a lot. But up here, I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all how like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt, let them know the focus up. I know everybody's stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking emotions. Roll me to this paper, hey, I see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate now you. What you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man. You can't see how you think you can fly past my wide wings. Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. In the doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. It can how you did, I had a dice in my hand. Throw what I knew I was against what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks it, I've been leaning on her, keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the commerce store from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you enough for this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head. That's true, I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar sweats trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real, how to clear the clouds. They disperse like when they flee, and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the rail, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but up here I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all how like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt like they know the fuck is up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking motions. Roll me to this paper, hey, I see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate you. What you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man. You can't see how you think you can fly past my wide wings. Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. Ain't a doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. It can how you did, I had a dice in my hand. Throw what I knew I was against what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks it, I've been leaning on her, keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the climbers. Start from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you enough for this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head. That's true. I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar sweats trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real, how to clear the clouds. They disperse like when they flee, and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the rail, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but up here I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all how like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt like they know the fuck is up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking motions. Roll me to this paper, hey, I see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate you. What you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man. You can't see how you think you can fly past my wide wings. Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. Ain't a doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. It can how you did, I had a dice in my hand. Throw what I knew I was against what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks it, I've been leaning on her, keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the climbers. Start from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you enough for this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head. That's true. I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar sweats trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real, how to clear the clouds. They disperse like when they flee, and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the real, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but I'm here. I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all high like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt, let them know the focus up. I know everybody's stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking motions. Roll me to this paper, hey, I see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate now you. Now what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man. You can't see how you think you could fly past my wide wings. Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. Ain't a doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man.